Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add order notes on your cart page on your Shopify store. So let's dive right in. On the left hand side, you can see all of your menu item options here, and you want to look for online store. Once you are on your online store page, you will have to go over to the right hand side over here where you can see customize. Now, just a duly note, only some themes will allow this feature to be enabled. So currently, Craft does offer this feature. So you're going to go over to Customize, and right here from the top, you're going to look for that Homepage tab, and you're going to use this drop-down menu, and you're going to look for Cart. Now, once you're here in Cart, over on the left-hand side, you're going to look for Subtotal. Okay, once you tap on Subtotal, you can go down and look for Theme Settings, and here you can tap on Enable Cart Note. All right, make sure that that box is ticked, and you can see it has now been added to your page. On the right hand side, you can tap on Save to save your changes, and it is now there. If this video was helpful, drop us a like, show us some support so that we can continue making amazing content. Cheers for now.